Hello everyone! I am happy to say that the Buggy version 2 is finally finished and ready for release. It's overall a more complicated vehicle than the first version, but also performs and looks much better. This buggy is currently using a 3000 kV Leopard motor with a 3S LiPo battery and a gyro module connected to the steering servo. We previously clocked it at 60 km per hour with a 2S battery, so I imagine it's even faster now, but haven't felt like testing top speed since there's an inherent risk of crashing it or wiping it out. There's been thousands of little changes from the version 1, so I won't go through them all, but here's some highlights at least. More durable gear train, allowing more powerful motors. Ability to use real RC tires via hex adapters, which opens up a much wider selection of tires depending on surface, while still allowing for custom 3D printed tires and rims. Much improved front bumper that can take a lot harsher impacts, protecting your front wheels and suspension components. It's also quick to replace with just 2 screws holding it on. Rear drive shaft has been replaced with factory-made ones out of steel. Overall makes it more reliable and the hardware is cheap. More ground clearance, both due to raised suspension, but also because the bottom of the buggy is now almost completely flat and smooth. Reinforced frame that's now many times as stiff compared to before. Smaller shocks to avoid the grotesque look of the version 1 shock towers. Still plenty of suspension travel. Bigger battery tray for larger batteries. Clean tray on the frame to let you place any components anywhere. Quick mount for the body, 2 pins in the front and a snap joint in the rear. Integrated fan mount to make sure your motor stays cool. Wider frame, giving a bit more space for components. Quick swap main gear in case of damage or ratio change. Adjustable motor mount for fine-tuning gear engagement. Gear covers to make sure the gears stay undamaged while driving in sandy or dusty terrain. As with every major project Mr.Crankyface makes, he has spent vast amounts of hours and plastic designing and fabricating this buggy. Because of this, he considered putting it up for sale to compensate for the development costs, but decided against it in the end. So hopefully a few of you will choose to donate on his Thingiverse profile or PayPal link so he can keep doing projects like these and keeping them free for everyone. Check the description for links to the donation sites. If you wish to download and print the Buggy version 2, you can find it over at Thingiverse. Follow the link in the description. Mr. Crankyface will of course follow up with how to build videos showing how everything assembles in detail, so stay tuned for that. If you still have any unanswered questions, just let us know in the comment section and we'll try to help out. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in the next one. Ciao!
Hello darkness, my old friend.